Stop scrolling and start turning your screen time to passive income. Like my client Phil, who went from $20,000 in debt to generating $3 million per month in less than 2 years by posting viral videos online. I know it sounds crazy, so here's the proof. It might look overwhelming since most of us only want a few things in life, like making $10,000 a month, getting out of debt, breaking out from an exhausting 9-to-5 job, or simply want an additional income. If that's you, here's a way you can tap into what my client did. Step 1. Set up an Instagram theme page like this. Step 2. Grow it by reposting viral content you can find. Step 3. Once you have enough followers, start making money by promoting brands on your page. It is as simple as that. If you have a laptop and an internet connection, you can definitely do this anywhere and anytime. Now, if you'd like to dive deeper into how this works for beginners, click the link in my bio for free training.